Crypterium explicitly is as of now esteemed at 10 cents. Crpt's pretty intraday volume basically remains at $1,107,930. Backing for the especially bears has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10 basically shows a descending pattern versus the especially thought. 25 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is genuinely transient cost expectation for Crypterium, especially is CRPT a sort of wise venture? Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the CRPT specialized examination, let us discuss the very current economic situations, or so they thought. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,433,698,568,583, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The very complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $46,102,746,854 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, which by and large is very critical. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in an every way that really matters, significant way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP fundamentally is somewhere around 0.1 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, which by and large is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions generally show that the market is going in an extremely descending heading for kind of present moment, which certainly is genuinely huge. Right now, a sort of broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 25 November 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on some things, facts. What sort of is transient cost expectation for Crypterium, generally is CRPT a genuinely wise venture, which sort of is very critical. Crypterium backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, so the especially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $46,102,746,854, or so they truly thought. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more extremely dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers generally become move sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on in a very huge manner. The prompt opposition for CRPT basically found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could generally leads towards the following obstruction, which can in every practical sense be basically found at 13 cents, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. On the really other hand, in the event that the bear in a real sense assume command and CRPT cost for the most part neglects to all things considered, break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the essential help at $0.097 in a by and large enormous manner. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the in every way that really matters signal line after a hybrid, which in a real sense is very huge. Crypterium financial backers need to for the most part hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday diagram, exhibiting how backing for the certainly bears essentially has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10 truly shows a really descending pattern, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The truly relative strength file, RSI, for CRPT coin by and large is at present drifting at 32 for 14 days exceptionally normal line, which for the most part implies CRPT generally is simply recuperating from an oversold condition in every way that really matters, significant way. While CRPT's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, or so they basically thought. Ends there for the most part had been a by and large regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will in a real sense go on concerning all plans and purposes, long as it generally stays in the rosy region in an especially enormous way. You ought to possibly really procure crypto the present moment assuming you're ready to sort of hold it through the promising and less promising times of the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense thought. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of crypterium, CRPT, crypterium execution. The very current crypterium cost basically is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, sort of additional appearance, how market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,433,698,568,583, which truly is genuinely huge. Right now, CRPT truly is somewhere near 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 United States dollars, or so they truly thought. Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Investigation for 25 November 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time period, especially made sense of beneath, which in a real sense shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value diminishing of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving essentially normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to for the most part examine the future development of the crypterium. Truly further appearance how crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely critical. The quick opposition for CRPT explicitly is basically found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could generally leads towards the following obstruction, which can especially be found at 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner. On the kind of other hand, on the off chance that the bear in a real sense assume command and CRPT cost in a real sense, neglects to in a real sense break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the pivotal help at 0.